Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the basics and acting fast. Press the volume up and down, flip any mute switch, and remove the case. Sometimes obstruction is the culprit. Next, check Do Not Disturb and the media volume slider. Make sure the output isn't set to Bluetooth. Once done, restart the phone, and if problems persist, boot to safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is silencing audio. This separates software causes from hardware ones. Now you dive into software and connections. Open the app you used to play audio and verify its internal volume and notification categories, because those can be independent. Next, turn off Bluetooth and unpair all devices to ensure audio isn't routed elsewhere. Test the built-in speaker with a ringtone or voice memo. Make sure the operating system and apps are updated. Clear an app's cache or reinstall it if audio is still missing, as corrupted data often break. Finish by isolating hardware. Run the phone's diagnostic tests, gently inspect and clean the speaker grill, and try wired headphones. If sound plays through headphones, the speaker likely needs repair. If software fixes failed, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last software resort. Make sure your backup is complete before erasing. If the volume still fails after reset, contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair shop. And if you need one troubleshooting tip, test with headphones to distinguish speaker versus system-wide audio failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.